Over the past few years, I have started seeing something crazy happening in the Kentucky real estate market that honestly, I haven't seen that much during the last few years. Buyers are sometimes ending up tens of thousands of dollars upside down in their homes, not because the market crashed, but because one mistake they made before they ever closed. And if you're relocating to Kentucky, especially from out of state, this is something you absolutely want to avoid. So today I'm going to break down the number one mistake buyers are making when they're moving to Kentucky and exactly how to avoid it. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kentucky or even the Tennessee area, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below. My name's Melissa and I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from people just like you who are looking to make their move to Kentucky, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, or even better, schedule time to meet on Zoom so we can answer all your questions about what it's really like to live in Kentucky. All right, so let's talk about this big mistake I'm seeing relocation buyers making. And honestly, it starts before they ever pick the house. The number one mistake is not having the right agent guiding the process from the very beginning. And believe me, this is not self-serving. I'm giving you this advice as somebody who's also a listing agent. And over the last few years, I've helped quite a few people who've already purchased a home get ready to sell it. But when that time comes to sell, problems are showing up. Sometimes buyers overpaid for the home because the offer wasn't properly structured, and other times they just didn't negotiate strongly enough during the inspection period. And sometimes those issues end up compounding months after closing when they're getting ready to sell. Now, this isn't just older homes that I'm talking about. I've also seen these issues in new construction homes. Things like sloppy tile work that eventually needs to be replaced, showers that were installed incorrectly and start leaking, lifting floors or heaving, and poor workmanship during the construction process. And we have great builders here in the market, but I had a seller client who hadn't used their shower, they told me, for a year and a half because it was installed incorrectly during the new build. And when problems like that aren't negotiated or addressed before the closing, the buyer ends up paying for it later. And these repairs can easily turn into $10,000, $20,000, or even $30,000 mistakes. So why this happens? Well, a lot of buyers assume that a home is newer and it looks good during showing, then everything must be fine. But the truth is, home inspections are a snapshot in time, and inspectors are going to point out what they see. Sometimes it's a simple repair, other times it's a symptom of a much larger issue. And knowing the difference between those two things is incredibly important when it comes to negotiating the right deal. Another thing a lot of relocation buyers don't realize is how important local market knowledge is. Are the comparable homes priced accordingly? And is the neighborhood a high demand growth area? If you're planning on being in the home for only a few years, overpaying on the front end can make it so much harder to sell later. And that's where strategy really matters. When we help relocation buyers move to South Central Kentucky, our goal is not just to help you find the home you love, but to make sure the home you're buying is the right home at the right price with the right protections in place. And that means carefully evaluating the comparable sales, taking inspections seriously, negotiating repairs or concessions when issues do arise, and sometimes putting things like home warranties in place for further protection. Because once you close on the home, those repairs are your responsibility. So this is where having the right team around you really matters. When needed, we have references for licensed contractors, structural engineers, roofing experts, plumbers, electricians, flooring specialists, and more to help you evaluate those issues and give you the right advice. So if something shows up on an inspection report, you're not guessing. You have professionals in your corner helping you guide the decision. A lot of our clients are coming from places like California, Illinois, Michigan, New Jersey, Wisconsin, and other high-cost living states. They're moving here because they want a lower cost of living, more space, less congestion, and a great place to work or raise their family. And Kentucky definitely delivers on the lifestyle, but making sure you're buying the right home the first time makes that even better. One thing I remind buyers is if you plan to live in the home for a long time, real estate is still an investment. So we're not just asking, do you like the house today? We're also asking, how will this home hold its value? How easily will it be to sell later? And are there hidden issues that could cost you more money down the road? And that kind of strategy makes a huge difference. So let me tell you a quick story. I recently worked with a buyer who was planning on living in their home for about 5 years. The inspection uncovered some issues that needed attention. We negotiated not only for the repairs, but also adjust the price to make sure that when they sell the home 5 years from now, they're still in a strong position. And that kind of strategy gave them a lot of confidence moving forward. So again, the biggest mistake I see buyers making when they're moving to Kentucky isn't necessarily choosing the wrong home. Sometimes it's going into that process without the right guidance and negotiation strategy up front. Because when you have someone advocating for you, helping you evaluate the property and guiding the process from day one, it becomes so much easier to avoid costly mistakes. So if you're thinking about moving to Kentucky and want help navigating that buying process, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, or you can grab time to meet with me on Zoom. I would love the chance to talk to you about your moving and relocation needs. And if you're thinking about building a new home in Kentucky, make sure you watch my video on the 5 biggest mistakes buyers make when they're building new construction homes. We'll see you next time.